Hi guys, welcome to A2Z Ozone. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our products, the Faucet Aerator. What this allows you to do is ozonate the water that comes out of your faucet when it's hooked up to an ozone generator, such as the Aqua 6, Aqua 8. For our demonstration today, we'll be using the Aqua Touch. It also works for that as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So if we take a closer look at the aerator and we unscrew it, it unscrews into 3 different pieces. This is the male adapter for female sinks or female sink adapters, and this is the female adapter for male sinks. It comes with some rubber seals to hold everything nice and tight, and I've also taken the liberty of adding plumber's tape to this top thread, the one that goes into the sink, just to hold everything nice and tight and keep it sealed. So now that it's on there and there's no water coming out anywhere else, you want to test to see that it's on tight enough and that there's a nice vacuum seal on the aerator. So what you can do is place your finger on the nozzle like this and keep it on and off when the water's on, and it should, when your finger's on there should be a more laminar flow. And laminar is just a smoother water flow. So we're going to do that. So it seems like it's on there right. So we're just going to attach the hose from the ozone generator onto the aerator. And you want to turn it on slow once this is on, because if water starts going back into here and into your unit, it could ruin your unit. So you're going to turn it on slow and make sure there's no water going into this hose. So I can definitely smell ozone coming out, and it's definitely working, so that's how you know you've done it right. Now I'm going to show you how to install the aerator onto a male adapter. One way you can do it is just take the whole aerator and just screw it on like this. We actually don't have an ozone generator in here, but the same testing methods still apply. Just turn on the water. And use your finger to create the suction. The other way to install this is to take just this piece, add the mesh inside, and then just screw it on. Test to make sure it works. You are good to go.